Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. It is now summertime. Today I'm going to show you how to wire wrap dollar store sea glass. You can get a whole bag for $1.25. All you have to do is bring it home and wash it and get started wrapping. I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's get started. To get started wire wrapping, I'm going to need a ruler, flush cutters. I need my 6-step bail making pliers. I need my chain nose pliers, and I'm using 20 gauge copper wire. You can also use silver or gold tone. I'm going to cut 24 inches of my wire. I want plenty of wire in case I want to add extra wraps. So let me show you how to make the bail. I'm making sure that I have at least 6 inches from one end of my wire. I'm going to use the 5th step on my loopers, put it in between, and I'm going to bring it up and crisscross them and bring them down. So now what I have to do is take out my pliers, rotate them, crisscross them again, bring it up to the top, and then I can remove it. Now I have my 3 loops to start wrapping my sea glass with. I have 1 wire in the back and 1 wire in the front. The short length, I'm going to go into the back. The longer length, I'm going to come into the front. So I'm going to put it right in between. I'm going to bring the wire down in the front. There's a little ridge right here. I'm going to go ahead and hook it right under the ridge. The same with the back. I'm going to come down the back and I'm going to bring it over to one side and bend it to the back. This one I'm going to come around. You have to hang on to your glass and your wire at the same time. And press that down. Press this down. Now what we're going to do is we can tighten all of these wires and the back wire when we're done. Then I'm going to come back around the front, come around, go up, come back around, and tighten. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the back, and after I finish tightening my bail, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze these lines together to anchor it. So I'm going to hold my finger here, and I'm going to bring the wire up, and I'm going to come around my bail. Come around to anchor my bail. And I think that's good. I think I can cut this off here. So let me give this a snip, and then I can anchor this inside. Actually, you know, I think I like the thickness of this, so I'm going to go around a few more times since I have the wire. Okay, I think that looks good. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And then I'm going to push this wire inside. So it doesn't poke me as I'm wearing it. Okay, so that looks good. So this is our front. This is the back. So now what we have to do to the back is we have to start taking our wire and anchoring it down. So I'm going to take this one probably right here, and I'm going to hang on to this and bend it to anchor it. I'm going to anchor this one the same way, bending it to anchor it. Let me do this one. And these are pretty stable, so I don't think I need to anchor anymore. They feel pretty solid against the glass, so I think I'm good there. Okay, so now we have this. Now what we have to do is find a chain for this. So what I did is I went on to Amazon, and let me get my chain. I got a whole bunch of chains. It comes like this. It's a huge amount, and I got a long length. This is 24 inches, and I'm going to show you a neat little hack to get different lengths out of this beaded necklace. So let's take one off. So this is a 24-inch necklace. So if you want to give a lot of gifts and you don't want them all to be 24 inches, some people like 16, some people like 17, 18, 20. So what you do is you start off at the clasp, and you're going to measure out. This is a 24-inch, the whole stack. Like if you want an 18-inch one, you're going to measure out this is 12 inches here. You're going to measure out your 18 inches. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's at the 6-inch mark. So you're going to go ahead and, with your flush cutters, just cut it in between the two beads. And then what you have is a 18-inch. Let's put it through. And you have an 18-inch necklace. Isn't that pretty? So you have a whole bunch of chain. You can make these as gifts. So you're only spending as much as it costs for a piece of chain, a little bit of wire, and you've got your sea glass. You've got $1.25 worth of sea glass in your big bundle. These are some that I previously did. I'm going to show you again how to do the chain part. And let me move these aside. So you're going to get your big bundle, find your clasp, go ahead and undo it, pull it out. This is 24 inches, so I think with this, I'm going to make a 22-inch necklace. So because this is a fairly large stone, I think 22 is going to hang really nice. So let's measure out 22 inches. So we've got 12 here. And we need 10 more. So we need to cut it here. So remember that we're not cutting this part, because if you cut this part, then you've lost it. You've lost your ability to clasp the necklace together. But let me show you what to do in case you do cut this off. So let's say we're going to cut this off by accident, right? We cut it off and we, oh no, I lost my clasp. What you do is you just unclasp it. Okay, so I got that undone. So this is the part that I need to eliminate. This is the 2 inches. So you just take your little clasp, you put it back through your beaded chain on one end, and you have your clasp. And now you put your chain through and come on back to this side and push that through. And there you have it. Now you have your 22-inch necklace. And that's all there is to making these personalized sea glass jewelry gifts for your friends, for your family. It's pretty easy and it's inexpensive, an inexpensive way to give gifts. So I hope you like this video. I hope that you will give this a try. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.